acting regiment adjutant to read the citation. The distinguished conduct star is hereby awarded to
Kung gusto niyo masubaybayan ang mga istorya ng sundalo ng bayan, pakiclick ang like at subscribe at pindutin na rin ang notification bell.
Agap! Ta! Unang hilap! Ta! Sipat! Tok! Dalawang hilap! Ta! Sipat! Tok! Tatlong hilap! Ta! Sipat! Tok! Baba! Ta! Dapat yung kaliwa! Rap! Tanghal! Ta!
Sergeant Ramonito A. Colocar Jr., 879-919 Infantry Philippine Army, 9 FRC, 29.
So numb, I can't feel anymore. Rain reaches walk back through the door. Above the angels, around the throne tonight. Singing
Today, the 1st Scout Ranger Regiment marks 7 decades of empowering leaders, pursuing excellence and conquering adversities. Magandang araw po at mabuhay ang Scout Ranger Regiment.
Thank you, sir. Attention to order. General Headquarters, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City, dated 20 February 2020. General Orders Number 290, Award of the Distinguished Conduct Star, pursuant to Paragraph 2E 4, Section 1-2, Chapter 1, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Civilization G-131-054, this headquarters, dated 26 June 2014, for conspicuous acts of courage and heroism in the face of armed enemies, while serving as executive officer of 2nd Scout Ranger Company, 1st Scout Ranger Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Philippine Army, during the Battle of Marawi against more or less 1,000 foreign and local terrorist groups from June to 16 October 2017. The Distinguished Conduct Star is hereby awarded to First Lieutenant Lauren P. Herrera, ODAS 17251, Infantry, Philippine Army, by command of General Santos Jr. Official, Eric Stone R. Gloria, Lieutenant General, Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Deputy Chief of Staff. Signed, Maxima O. Ignacio, Brigadier General, Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Adjutant General. Armed Forces of the Philippines, Camp General Emilio Aguinaldo, Quezon City, dated 23 October 2018. General Orders Number 1227, Awards of Distinguished Conduct Star, pursuant to Paragraph 2A-4, Section 1, 2, Chapter 1, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Regulation G-131-054, this headquarters dated 26 June 2014, for conspicuous acts of courage and gallantry in actions in the face of armed enemies while serving as team leader of the 2nd Scout Ranger Company, 1st Scout Ranger Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Philippine Army, during the series of encounters against more or less 150 local foreign and terrorist group under Owaida Abdul Najib and Iman Bantayaw at Barangay Gakap, Yagapu, Lanao del Sur, from 22 to 24 April 2017. The Distinguished Conduct Star is hereby awarded to Sergeant John D. Ordon, 843644, Infantry, Philippine Army, by command of General Galvez Jr. Official Gaudencio C. Collado Jr., Vice Admiral, Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Deputy Chief of Staff. Signed, Maxima O. Ignacio, Brigadier General, Armed Forces of the Philippines, the Adjutant General. Armed Forces of the Philippines, Headquarters, Western Mindanao Command, Camp Navarro, Calorian, Zamboanga City, dated 11 June 2020. General Orders Number 331, Award of the Gold Cross Medal, pursuant to Paragraph 2A7, Section 1-2, Chapter 1, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Regulation G-131-054, General Headquarters, dated 26 June 2014, for gallantry in actions while serving as team leader, 1st Platoon, 50 Scout Ranger Company, 5th Scout Ranger Battalion, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Philippine Army, during an encounter against more or less 40 armed Abu Sayyaf group under Hatib Sawadjaan at Bakong Patiko, Sulu on 23 February 2020. The Gold Cross Medal is hereby awarded to Sergeant Jeffer P. Malse, 874538, Infantry, Philippine Army, by command of Lieutenant General Sobihana. Official Leonardo I. Peña, Colonel, MNC, Philippine Army, Chief of Unified Command Staff. Signed, Jinky M. Olandag, Captain, EGS, Philippine Army, Command Adjutant.
Swimmers Award will be received by Lieutenant Colonel Herbert Dilag, Commander, 5th Scout Ranger Battalion.
Best Battalion for Administration. The Best Scout Ranger Battalion for Administration, calendar year 2020, is hereby awarded to 2nd Scout Ranger, 2nd to None Battalion. The FSRR Streamers Award will be received by Lieutenant Colonel Wilfredo C. Martin Jr., Commander, 2nd Scout Ranger Battalion.
For the best company. The Best Scout Ranger Company is hereby awarded to 12th Scout Ranger Always Ready Company. The 1st Scout Ranger Regiment Streamers awarded will be received by First Lieutenant Jesus M. Manasio, Commanding Officer, 12th Scout Ranger Company.
Headquarters, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Philippine Army, Camp Tixon, San Miguel, Bulacan, dated 25 November 2020, pursuant to General Orders Number 203 and Letter Directive, Headquarters, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, Philippine Army, with subject Membership Acceptance Guidelines, dated 16 October 2020, for the outstanding acts of courage, strong leadership, and sterling character, and the illustrated the virtues of a Scout Ranger, thus earning the respect and admiration of his subordinates, peers, and superiors. By these qualities, they are worthy to be a part of Scout Ranger family, and therefore is granted all the rights and privileges of a Scout Ranger. The award of Scout Ranger Honorary Badge is presented to Major J.C. T. Lono, O-135034, Ordnance Service, Philippine Army. Adopted member of SR Class 161, 2006. Staff Sergeant Roderick O. Babagay, 843689, Adjutant General Service, Philippine Army. Adopted member of SR Class 162, 2006. Sergeant Noel B. Barangay Jr., 895994, Adjutant General Service, Philippine Army. Adopted member of SR Class 185, 2012, by order of Colonel de la Cruz. Official Romel S. Pagayon, Colonel, GSC Infantry, Philippine Army, Acting Chief of Staff. Signed, Dante A. Espiritu, Captain, Infantry, Philippine Army, Acting Adjutant.
Plaque of appreciation is hereby presented to the 4th Scout Ranger Regiment Philippine Army in grateful appreciation for the invaluable support rendered to the Armored Pambato Division Philippine Army towards the capacity building and development of personnel. The plaque is presented by Brigadier General Efren B. Baluyot, Assistant Division Commander. Signed, Major General Robert C. Dallas, Commander.
At this point, Colonel Freddy T. De La Cruz, Commander, 1st Scout Ranger Regiment, will give his remarks and subsequently introduce our guest of honor and speaker.
Tunay na aking pinagmamalaki na ako ay bahagi ng 1st Scout Ranger Regiment. At alam ko na ang bawat isa sa inyo na siyang tinadhanang mabigyan ng karangalang maisuot ang tabak sa kanyang dibdib. Ang tabak na siyang produkto ng dugo, pawis at minsan buhay. Ay kasama kong nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng pagsubok na ating dinaanan. Mga pagsubok na siyang humubog sa ating karakter, mga pagsubok na nagbigay sa atin ng lakas, kakayahan at tibay ng loob na hindi mapapantayan sa anumang labanan. Our commitment, having reached 70 years of existence, is no small feat for an organization. I urge the officers, men and women of the 1st Scout Ranger Regiment to build on our gains, continue our cooperation and collaboration, work for our continuing story, and continue to be a partner in nation building. Maligayang pagdiriwang ng ika-70 taon ng pagkakatatag ng ating 1st Scout Ranger Regiment. Magandang hapon at maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Lieutenant General Cirilito Elola Sobejana took the helm of the Philippine Army as its 62nd Commanding General on 30 July 2020. Considered as one of the country's living heroes, the Commanding General is known for his heroic combat exploits. He is a recipient of the country's highest military award, the Medal for Valor, an award equivalent to the Congressional Medal of Honor of the United States of America. Ladies and gentlemen, our Commanding General, Philippine Army, Lieutenant General Cirilito Elola Sobejana, Philippine Army.
Be seated. Maraming salamat, Brigadier Ferdy Cruz or De La Cruz, for that very generous introduction. The Scout Ranger alone, you named the threat, we are confronting them. the New People's Army, the Abu Sayyaf Kidnap Ransom Group, the Bangsamoro Islamic Freedom Fighters, the Al Khilafah Philippines, the Dawla Islamiyah Inspired Group, the remnants of the Mauti Group, and of course the other lawless elements. And having said that, I think it is but proper to start my message with an interfaith greetings or prayers of peace and healing, recognizing that our Almighty heals and saves humankind. To God be all the glory. A'udhu billah minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The most gracious and the most merciful. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Every time I set my feet here in the hallowed ground of Camp Tixon, I really feel very comfortable. The last time that I was here was during the change of command ceremony. I think that was just 3 months ago. October 13, almost, more than a month ago. Napakabilis ng pag-iisip ko. 3 months na kagad ang iniisip ko. But, this has been my home for quite some time. I left the 1st Scout Ranger Regiment after my stint as battalion commander of the 3rd Scout Ranger Battalion. Actually, I almost complete all my billets here. I became the staff of the regiment. I became the commander of the 1st Scout Ranger Company, the commandant of the Scout Ranger Training School, and the commander of the 3rd Scout Ranger Excelsior Battalion. Sino ang 3rd Army Commander dito? Yan. Kasi during that time, that was more or less 10 years ago, nagkaroon ng very close competition among the battalions. There were 3 battalions then. So the 1st Battalion claimed themselves as the first comes first, and the 2nd Battalion second to none, but the 3rd Battalion is quite unique. The 3rd Battalion is the best. And during that time, we were able to garner all the awards. The best enlisted personnel, the best officer, the best company, and the best battalion. So, the best talaga. Pasensya na kayo, I belong to the 3rd Scout Ranger Battalion and I have the microphone. So, wala na kayo magagawa. Forces of the Philippines as a whole. The dedication and perseverance that you have zealously demonstrated contributed much to the Philippine Army's attainment to its trust of capacitating forces, intensifying stakeholders' engagements, sustaining good governance, which I consider the hallmark of our being a world-class army that is a source of national pride, and of course, uplifting the well-being of our soldiers. We should always strike a good balance between mission accomplishment and looking after the morale and welfare of our men. Ika nga, mission accomplishment first, morale and welfare always. Sa pagbubukas ng bagong kabanata ng inyong kasaysayan, buo ang aking tiwala na panatilihin ninyo ang inyong kasipagan sa kabila ng anumang pagsubok sa inyong kakaharapin. Alam kong marami na kayong napagtagumpayan, ngunit marami pa ang kailangan nating gawin para matupad ang ating adhikain na pangmatagalang kapayapaan at kaunlaran. Kaya naman patuloy ninyong ipakita ang inyong dedikasyon at debosyon sa serbisyo para mas marami pa kayong magagawa para sa bayan. Ito ay tulad ng aking paniniwala na ang taong masaya ay maraming nagagawa. Finally, continue leading the way towards lasting peace and progress. Let your victories in the field inspire you more to pursue greater heights as you proudly wear your tabak tabs. We should always remember that we are Rangers, meaning remaining aggressive or remain aggressive in neutralizing groups that endanger the rights and sovereignty of the Filipino people. So to God be the glory. Mabuhay ang 1st Scout Ranger Regiment. Mabuhay ang Philippine Army. God bless us all. Wabadu wasalam.
Thank you very much, sir, for that very inspiring message.
At this juncture, the regiment commander will present the memento to our guest of honor and speaker.
Sir